Welcome to Junk Journal July, day 17. This challenge is hosted by Meg from Meg Journals, and the prompt for today is go-to palette. I really don't have a palette of colours that I use all the time, but I do have some items that I use all the time when I do my pages. And among the tools that I use in my collaging are gesso, coffee, ink, stencils. I use pens for highlighting, watercolour paint, splashes of paint, splashes of ink. So I hope you enjoy watching how I create this particular little collage using some of those items. And if you're enjoying my videos, please give me a thumbs up.
To slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world now? Rest with me, close to curtains. Brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead, even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride.